Welcome to Rochester, where the local time is 7:50 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few moments, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. For right now, you may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets, so if you are sitting in the exit rows, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Once we arrive at the gate, make sure to check around your seating area for all personal items you brought on board. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Contents inside may have shifted during our flight and landing. We'd like to recommend you perform a post-flight pat-down to make sure you have your phones and earbuds in your bags or pockets before you leave the aircraft. Once you're inside the terminal, information about baggage claim and ground transportation will be provided by information signs, television monitors, and uniformed United representatives. Don't forget to utilize the United app for the most current information about your personal travel plans. We know you have a choice in air carriers, and we appreciate you choosing to fly on United today. It has been our